A federal district court jury in Tacoma has determined the Bethel School District failed to protect one of its most vulnerable students.
This is a landmark decision for special education students.
Attorneys for this student, who's been identified as CKM, say that in 2012, CKM was sexually assaulted and harassed multiple times by one of her classmates while attending Bethel High School. CKM's attorneys say the Bethel administration knew this could happen, given the perpetrator's history at the Clover Park School District, which includes a record of repeated sexual assaults on other students. But no one was warned.
They specifically detailed past sexual assaults by this student. Unfortunately, no one in administration actually reviewed those documents, and none of the information was actually passed down to the frontline teachers.
As a result, the policies that require teachers to be informed about a student's disciplinary history were never put into effect, putting CKM, who already has difficulty communicating, in an even more vulnerable position.
The school district admitted in court that this policy didn't apply to her because she was too low cognitively functioning to appreciate an unwanted touching, which is absolutely shameless.
And failing to enforce the district's sexual harassment policy allowed CKM to be abused throughout the school year. CKM's story is unfortunately too common for many students with intellectual and developmental disabilities. According to the Children's Psychological Trauma Center, around 1 in 3 young people who receive special education services have been abused in some fashion. The U.S. Justice Department also found that from 2011 to 2015, people with intellectual disabilities suffered the highest rates of serious violent crimes, which includes rape and sexual assault. According to court documents, the federal court awarded CKM $500,000 in damages. But the pain of her experience runs much deeper and will take longer to process.
Just because CKM couldn't say no because her cognitive disability did not allow her to, does not mean that she should be afforded any less protection from a sexually harassing or a sexually abusing classmate.
Lionel Donovan reporting there, and we should also mention that Lionel reached out to the Bethel School District and so far has not heard back.